I better check the test. No way! I'm pregnant? Okay, here goes. It's positive! I think that's long enough. I'm having a baby! Wow, my morning breath is so bad. I better brush my teeth. Hang on. Hey! Are you forgetting something? Yes, sir. I mean, ma'am. I've got your toothpaste. You'll soon have minty fresh breath. You can go now. It's hard to get the staff these days. Ah, that feels better already. I need to pee. This is so boring. I have an idea. Ahem. Time to wipe? Thanks. Oops. I'm so messy. Is that poop? I don't get paid enough for this! Gotcha! It's chocolate spread! You rich folk and your weird sense of humor. A classic, ma'am. Okay, I better get ready. Gold is so good for the skin. I just love a diamond face mask. It's great for exfoliating. I think that's long enough. Wow, my skin is glowing. I better brush my teeth. Your toothbrush, ma'am. May I? We need to keep that Hollywood smile sparkling, ma'am. Open wide. Don't miss any spots. Of course. I think I have some caviar stuck at the back. That's it. I've been holding this all morning. Ah, that feels better. I'm finished. This is such a waste of money. What's wrong with regular toilet paper? I'll wipe myself this morning. What a relief. I'll leave you to it. Ugh. She's so dramatic. I've done worse. Morning already? What a great sleep. I can't lay around all day. I've got dumpsters to raid. I better make myself look good. It might take a while. I'm glad I collected this rainwater. It's so refreshing. That woke me up. Meh. Ugh. What is that smell? Oh right. It's me. I better clean my teeth. Not that it'll make a difference. Okay, what's next? Ah, these will get rid of my puffy eyes. I borrowed them from the local cafe. I can use them later for tea. That'll do it. Where's the toilet paper? Huh? That's it? What am I supposed to do with this? I'm not using my hand again. There's only one thing for it. This is gonna hurt. Wow, what a day! Just me and my bump. Does it get any better? This looks like a good spot for a rest. Woo, la la la. Oh, yeah. Do you like that little one? Do you want to listen too? Mommy has the best taste in music. There's nothing like breakfast outdoors, even if it's cold beans. But I'm not complaining. Huh? What's going on over there? Shake it, baby! That looks fun. You like music too, don't you, little one? Hold on. I have an idea! I can use this can! I'll use a screwdriver to punch a hole in the base. Now I need some string. I'll pull it through the hole and tie a knot in it. Then I'll attach it to a second can. Who needs fancy headphones? This one's for you. And I'll take this one. Hush, little baby. Ugh, standing up isn't easy. Okay, let's go. What is that hobo doing?
Oh yeah, sha-la-la-la-la!
That is so tragic. The world is full of crazy people. I'm so bored. I want some entertainment.
Ma'am, it would be an honor to play for you.
Less talking, more playing.
Let's get this over with. It's so soothing, right?
Sorry, she's not a fan. This isn't working.
But we're classically trained. Let's try something more upbeat.
Huh? It's too noisy!
Really? Okay. Let's rock! Bust that solo!
Oh yeah, this is more like it.
Ooh, me likey! Thanks, Mommy!
Keep playing! Woohoo!
This is more fun than the violin!
It's important to stay healthy during pregnancy. So, I need to work out more often. Okay, let's go. We'll start with something easy. You're kidding, right? I'm rich. I don't do stairs. Okay, let's move on. I'm regretting this already. Let's work those biceps. Yeah, that looks like hard work. Okay, strength training isn't for everyone. Oh, I know. This might be more your thing. Sit on the ball and work those hips. It's so easy. I'll be the judge of that. Ooh, it's nice and soft. I like this. Hold on. I need to take a selfie.
Hey.
I look cute. Is it getting hot in here? Do something! Oh right, let me cool you down. Ah, that's better. Thanks. Will I keep doing it? Don't stop. Or else. Wow, look at that. Annie's working out.
Hey.
That ball thing looks great. I suppose I better get fit too. I don't have any equipment. There must be something I can use. Oh, that soccer ball will do. I'll put it right here. Then I'll sit on it. Oh, this is trickier than it seems. Whoa! Feel the burn! No pain, no gain! Maybe I should have went with something heavier. Mommy did well, huh? Woohoo! Dancing is way better than weights! I mean, it counts as cardio. Okay, what's next? Check these gains. I'll be feeling this tomorrow. What's Annie doing now? Wait, is that yoga? Okay, I can do that. I need a yoga mat. This cardboard is perfect. Time to center my chakra, or whatever you do. Be at one with my breath. Chew! Nah, I'm done with this. Okay, I'm here. Let's do this. Stop doing that. Oh, hey. So make me fit or whatever. You're doing great. Keep going. I hate this. I had this made especially for you. I hope you like it. Seriously? Get rid of it. Okay, how about this? Meh, I can live with that. Oh, it's comfortable. That's it! Not so fast. I think I'm getting dizzy. It's so nice to get some fresh air. This is great. Get your ultrasounds here. Wow, business sure is slow today. Hi, so like, can I see my baby? Yeah, but it ain't free. It'll cost ya. See? Read the sign. Oh, okay. I'll find some food. Aha! A garbage can. That's perfect. There must be something in here. Let's have a look. I can use this candle and pot. I'll whip up a tasty treat. It'd be a shame to waste this banana skin. It looks a little dry. I'll add a splash of water. What's next? Ah, some crunchy leaves. Now I'll let those flavors combine. It smells delicious. Just like Mom used to make. It's ready. Ooh, that smells great. I can't wait to try it. Oh yeah, that hit the spot. Okay, come on over. Let's see that little one. I'll have a quick listen. Okay. That didn't do anything. This is a shy baby. Yoo-hoo! Anyone in there? That usually works. Looks like we'll need to use the modern approach. Nope. That won't do. Aha! This is what I need. Beep beep. Do you know what you're doing? Not a car fan? Could you go? I should have known this was a bad idea. That seemed to do the trick. I'll have your ultrasound in a moment. Bear with me. I'm still getting used to the technology. I hope I don't run out of ink. It's almost ready. Here's your beautiful baby girl. I can see the family resemblance. Wow! It's amazing! Thanks! I'm gonna frame this! Another happy customer. I still can't believe the hospital fired me.
This looks so yummy. Whoa, it smells great. I wonder what it tastes like. That's pretty good. I need to get more of this. Uh-oh, a patient. I better look professional. Come in.
Hi, doctor. I can't believe I'm gonna see my baby. It's so exciting.
Just lay back. Make yourself comfortable. Whoa, that's a huge bump. Okay, I'm going to apply some gel. It might be cold. Hold on. It's empty. What can I use now? Wait a minute. She's asleep. I have an idea. I can use this candy. She won't know the difference. What's the worst that can happen? Okay, that should do it. Let's have a look at the baby. So far so good. Everything's looking perfect. It's a healthy, happy baby.
Huh? What? What's that smell? Is it the gel? It smells amazing. Wow, that's good. I can't believe I was nervous.
I'm happy with everything. I think we're done here. Let's clean you up. That baby bump will be shining. You can cover up now. Let me help you. Oh, I almost forgot. I've got your baby picture right here. It's
No! I don't want to see it! I want it to be a surprise!
Really? Okay.
It needs to be special. Do you think you could do that? I'll make it worth your while.
Sure, why not? Trust me, I'm a doctor. Luckily, I carry balloons with me. I should buy a balloon pump. How's this? Fancy, huh? It's totally worth the money.
Ooh, this is what I wanted! Thanks! You're the best. Here goes. It's a boy! This is amazing! Thank you so much, doctor! This has been the best day ever! Aw, you're too kind!
Woohoo! I love this part of the job! That looks good there. Oh no, is that dust? That was almost a disaster. Okay, I think everything is ready. Wait, what's that smell? I want to create the right ambiance. Ah, that's better. And now we wait. Ugh, my breath stinks. I need some gum. That could have been embarrassing. Okay, let's do this. Come on in.
Hi, doctor. I'm ready for my ultrasound.
You look radiant, Naomi.
This is for you.
You know I love gold. Okay, let's have a look. Excellent. I like what I'm seeing.
Ha! That tickles.
It won't take long. Would you like some fruit while you wait? I picked it myself.
Ugh, no thanks. Just scan me, okay?
Sure, I'll get your photo. I'll be right back. Phew, this is hot. The things I do for my patients. There must be an easier way. Ready to see your baby? Ta-da! Obviously they won't be as golden.
Wow! This is great! She has my nose! Can you take a picture?
Oh, that is beautiful.
Make sure you get my good side. Oh, hi, Mom!
Hi, sweetie.
It's so good to see you both. I have something for you. I thought we could let our hair down and have some fun. Whoa, thanks! This is awesome! But I'm not exactly dressed for a party. Hold on, I'll see what I can wear. I must have some nice clothes. Don't worry, we'll find something. What's this? Maybe not. It's on the small side. What else is there? I don't remember buying this. But it looks like it'll fit. Whose are these? Give me those! Pretend you never saw them. Anyway, I better get dressed. This is a bit of a squeeze. Let me help. It's pointless. I can't get it over my bump. What am I gonna do? I think I have an idea. I know how to fix this. But I need some supplies. We should probably clean before the baby arrives. Okay, ready for a makeover? Slip this over your head. Okay, now what? I can't go out like this. I'm not finished. Don't move. I need to get artistic. You're gonna look so pretty. Do you really think so? We're almost finished. What do you think? Wow, it's amazing! I feel like a model!
Just don't wear it when it's raining.
Ooh, this will match it perfectly! Really? For me? I feel so glamorous!
Thank you.
Come on, let's go! This is gonna be fun! This is cute, but it won't cover my bum. This won't do. I need to make a call. Hello? I need your help.
Okay, I'm here.
Do you mind? Oh, sorry, I forgot. This is so demeaning. Anyway, let's get you looking fabulous. I've got so many goodies in here. You're gonna love them. Huh? What do you think? Really? I'm not a peasant. Get them out of here. But they're the latest fashion in Paris. Okay, I know. Ouch, is this necessary? We'll create something unique. Something you. Which color do you like? So many choices. I usually prefer gold. I need to find some new clients. But my masterpiece is complete. It's my best work yet. That's it? What do you think? It's okay. I suppose it'll have to do. How does it look? You look gorgeous. I'll take your word for it. Phew. I need another vacation. Oh, thanks. I'm out of here. Ugh, this used to fit. I don't have anything to wear. Ugh, this won't fit. What's this? This is so annoying. I need some new clothes. Hey! I can't find anything to wear. Go buy me some new dresses.
Okay, wait right there.
Who was that? Huh? Hey, I'm working here. Coming through! What just happened? I'm back. Hey, wakey wakey. Ooh, gimme!
I hope you like them. You look great and everything.
Oh my gosh, that was so stressful. Now I can take it easy. With some nice, relaxing cleaning. When you're about to hear the pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter if you're rich or broke. All the baby needs is love. What cute things do your parents do for you? Let us know in the comments below.